Okay, right. Welcome back to another video. So this video would like to show you the progress on my development. So last weekend I participated in a mini jam. The theme was frog, and so this is the game. I would like to show you the game and how I developed and all the events. And I would like to make it available for you in the game market so that if you're interested, you can purchase it and support me. And or else, if you want to do it by yourself, you can do it by looking going this video. And going through this video may not be able you may not be able to understand really if you are a beginner. Only if you are you need at least intermediate skill to understand the event. So to in order to build it by yourself. All right, let's get to the video. So this is the um, my game page on itch.io. So you can, there are few games I have developed so far, and this is the game I worked on called Dumagu. Okay, for Froggy. So this is the game page, and you can see um, the game free to play. You can free play the game for free, and also you can download the Windows version if you want. I set it up as for $3. If you want to support me, you can download it, or else you think that it's not worth it. You can simply play the game from fine, and you can watch the video. Um, this is a small video of YouTube. You can see. All right, there is a buffering issue. All right, the objective is he is the king, or you can say prince. You'll have to save the queen from here, and you can see different animals going through the path, and you'll have to place few objects in the path of those animals. So if you place the right object, the animals will clear the path for you, and you can reach the queen and you can save her. Okay, that's the simple game, simple objective. I'll just run the game and show you. Yeah, this is my company banner. So this is the game. You can see the title screen. Also, you can see different objects. Player. So the build the gameplay, or at least 1 hour of game. But due to the game, I have to see the game only level. Right. So let's get to the game. So as you can see, there are different animals from here. You need to place in object the path of these animals so that uh, you can save the queen, and that's the end of the game. So my initial thought was to procure all these items by yourself by exploring the map and doing few small quests kind of things, so that you will procure the animals by yourself or the items by yourself, and you come back to and you clear the puzzle or clear the path for the prince and save the princess. So that was the initial objective, but because of limitation, I had to remove that. Okay, let's see. So it's a multiple choices. So I've created in a way that even if you choose any of the objects, even if you choose the wrong object, the game still responds. Right. So for example, I choose buffalo. So a buffalo comes into the lake of crocodiles. Crocodiles eats the buffalo and they sleep. Now you cleared the path for our hero. Now you will have to clear the path for zebras. So for zebras, I will play the soldiers. So once you place the soldiers, you stop the stampede and you clear the path. Right. Also, you can see the text here, just like a little story. Also, this game has background music, few sounds as well. I disabled it so that it doesn't overlap while I speak. Okay, now you'll have to clear the line. Mm, okay, let's place an elephant. Right, so lions eat elephant and they sleep. You clear the path for the hero, and now you'll have to clear path for elephants. So what's left? So maybe I will use wolf. Yeah, you might think it is looking like a dog or something else, but these are three assets. If you are interested, you can download this game and uh, change the objects as per your interest. So wolf did not work, so we are left with a plank and an egg. Let's see how it works. That didn't work. It was destroyed in the speed. Okay, now let's try egg. No, you lost the game. It's over. I'm not able to save my queen. I will have to start over all again. So you'll have to identify the right path to reach the queen. As simple as that. So I have chosen the wrong path. So that is why I made a terrible mistakes to frank, and so that is why I was not able to save the queen. So you can simply restart the level from here, and it goes back to the beginning of the level. All right. So this is the game. So let's look at how the events. Okay. So castle um, is the game layout, and you can see all the events here. Right. So on start of layout, you see um, player introduces himself that he is Dumagu, and give the purpose of this game and what he's trying to do, etc. And you'll also see um, events for the items to be activated from this part, right? So this is the program for drop. So the position casual position 1 through 8. So these are the positions of the animal paths. So it starts with crocodile as 1, zebra 2, lions 3, so on and so forth, and your right. So it is just a drag and drop uh, events here. So what happens when you drag and drop to the any of the paths, right? So for example, you drag the buffalo into uh, the lake of crocodiles. So the buffalo comes here, it will disappear. Just added the fade behavior, so that once you leave the cursor, it will fade out. And you can see few animals are at the bottom of the screen. This buffalo comes and goes into the lake. So this triggers animal action function. This is the function, and you can also see different casual position from 1 to 7. So we do not have 8 because 8 is the final stage and we don't need to place any animals, any objects. Right. So once you pull the buffalo into the lake, uh, buffalo comes and this buffalo comes and goes into the lake, and crocodiles move towards buffalo. Right. So I also added a few different objects. So 0 is from buffalo, 1 is for elephant, 2 is for wolf, and so on and so forth. Right. So you'll just by understanding the numbers, you will understand which object it is. So here 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 buffalo, elephant, wolf, and frog. These 4 the crocodile can eat. Right? So if you place any of these 4 animals, crocodile will eat them and go to sleep. So that the first part will be cleared for you. Right. So also for what happens when you drag the fourth item number 4 or item number 5. So this order is based on array of order. So it starts from 0 index to 5. So the number 4 is actually item number 5 and 5 is actually number 6. Right. So once you're done with placing the animals, it resets the count. So you can see 0 here. Um, so the count will be reset to 0. So initially each has 1, whereas the soldiers are 9. So the objects are 1. So once you place them into the path, the count will be reset to 0. Right. So the set prey is the object that move prey or any object from the bottom of the screen into the animal paths. Right. So also like we see in or the game, crocodiles are coming towards the prey to eat it. Right. So those functions are in the set prey function. Right. You can see the set prey function is being called. So even here the set prey function is being called. For 4, the set prey function is not being called because the fourth object is egg. It's an egg. Right. So I don't think crocodiles are interested in eating an egg. I'm not sure. So I program in a way that only from 1 to 4, if you place any of the items, crocodile eat and go to sleep. And this is the set prey function for all the objects. You can see one is for crocodile, zebra, lions, elephant, wolves, snakes, and the dragon. Right. So each function has its own events. So each animal reacts in a different way towards the items. Right. So I'm not going into further details because it's very difficult to explain each and every layout and each event. So I hope you will be able to understand what I'm trying to explain. If not, you can reach out to me. I'll provide the contact ID, contact email, and also Discord server link. You can reach out to me there. Also, once you move ahead, so this function is called when set is satisfied and hero will move to the next path, making some sound. Hey, like a victory sign. Also, this is the moment for events for zebra. So when you place a plank on the path of crocodiles, so zebras actually escape through the plank. So that is the events. And also the drag and drop functions is here. So once you place the in the wrong track or not on the right track, the program will move the um, item back to its place. So that is the function here. Right. So once the any of the animal is satisfied, the opacity of these animals will go to 50. Just a symbolic representation of they are not active anymore. Okay, so this is the function to reset the animal count, and also set up the local storage. So once you open the game, once you're done with the intro, just a 5 seconds of intro, and if you reload the game, it doesn't play the intro again. So it saves the data that you already um, you have already gone through the intro. So with their variables, items visible. Okay, so casual position. So once you reach position 7 or any of the positions, and all the objects are um, vanished. So you don't have any objects to place anymore, and you did not reach the queen. So it's a game over, and you can see the text. It's all I'm not able to save my queen. I will have to start all over again, right? So this text will be played, which means game over, right? So there are different functions. Also, you have seen when a crocodile eat the prey, you must have seen the sleep code, like so that this is the function for the sleep code. And also when you place few objects in the right path, um, you will see heart object playing, and also I have set up few sounds of the prey. So, when you put the buffalo into any path, animal path, so it will make a sound, something like that. All right, so these are the layouts. So the final CP3 will not have all this layout. So it just for my reference, and you can see the event sheets. So casual is es underscore casual is the main event sheet, and you can see the layout as the first layout. So you can simply replace this banner with your logo, right? So after that, it goes to the start layout, and you just need to click on play, and it will take you to the casual. All right, so you can see all the objects here. If you don't like these objects, you can simply replace them. Okay, also all the items which are on the right hand side. So you can see the items here. These items are from here. You can simply replace. Oops, yeah, you can simply replace them according to your interest. Okay, also I haven't used third-party plugins. All the plugins are C3 plugins, so you don't need to worry about third-party um, support, plugin support. Also, these are the other objects you can see on the map. So all the assets or graphics or the sound effects, everything are from free websites. So if you want to use this game or this project, I highly recommend you to change these graphics and replace them with your own graphics and also sound effects, right? So you can see all the sounds here. Simply replace them, and also the icons. You can simply place them, right? So it's pretty much it. Yes. All right. So this is all about it. And you want to check out the game, you can go to shepherdgames.itch.io, and so you will be taken to this page. You can select this one and you can try the game first. And if you are interested to support me, you can download the Windows version, or if you think it's not worth it, that's up to you. You can just play the game from here, free game. And also you can see um, the game bundle is of three. So I'm selling three. So your funds will help me to develop more games. So if you're interested, you can purchase it and support me. Also, I'm going to set up the provide you the source code in the game markets. I'll provide the links in the description later. Once I'm done uploading this source code, and once I get the approval, I'll provide a link in the description. If you're interested, you can download it and add it to your own projects, and or use this code for any of the other. It's up to you how do you want to use it. Um, um, all I want is this game to be helpful to you in your projects. Okay, so also I've added. Oh, okay, 1 second. I think I have opened. Actually, the game I set for sale. I have added ad mobs as well. So yeah, this is the one, right? So I've tested it on Android as well. So ad mob is working fine. So the only problem is the banner ad. It's overlapping score text. So if I press on top, it is overlapping with Queen. So maybe you can put the Queen on right or left hand side of the screen, and you can play the banners. It's up to you. Or either you can also set up any video or picture ads. That's up to you. Also, you can also check out my other games, other from here, and also you can go to asset store. Also, can check out my games from here. Oh, I'm sorry. They have changed the asset store to domain now. Okay, Shepherd Games, type for Shepherd Games. Let's see, it is still downloading. In the meanwhile, we can explore. Okay. All right, no problem. I'll go to my account and show the assets. So these are the different assets I'm offering to you. Or anyone who is interested, you can check them out. So these are few tracks, soundtracks, which consists of total 17 soundtracks and 8 short soundtracks, 64 sound effects. That so this is completely built in my studio. So if you're interested, you can purchase this one. Alright, so these are the other projects. You can see Ludo, Tic Tac Toe, and other projects as well. So let's check all the assets from me. Right, you can download the game from here, Tim the Traveler game, or you can check the different templates, or you can also purchase license or set it up on your websites or on your Android um, or any developer account of yours. It's up to you, right? So these are the different assets. If you're interested, you can explore. You can just go to my developer page and you can purchase if you want to support me. More than support me, if you are interested in this one and if you think they are helpful or useful to you, you may buy them. So it's up to you. Oh, it's taking a lot of time to download. Almost done. Almost done. Yeah, done. Actually, I would like to show you this build in particular because I have added advert IDs here. So you can see the global variables. So just need to where is this? Yeah. So mobile advert, you'll have to add your application. If you are releasing it for iOS, you'll have to add the iOS application, your publisher ID, uh, and privacy policy. So you can test the game first, and in the test, and before you publish the game, make sure you remove the test mode and publish the game. So you can also I disable the interstitial ads because I don't need it as of now, so I disable it. But if you have a way to present it in a better way, you can enable them and set it up. So you just need to uh, add the IDs here. It will play by, and also you will need to for the interstitial, it is better that you call them, you create a function and you call instead of enabling these two, because it will run in a loop and it's not good user experience. All right, so yeah, that's all this game. Right, I think I have explained everything to you. All right, so if you have any questions, you can reach out to me. You can add a comment in the description. I mean, a comment in the video, or you can reach out to my email ID, or you can reach out to my Discord server. So it's up to you. I will be happy to help you. All right, that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. You have a great day.